Hello students, welcome to standard 11 subject mathematics, chapter number 2, relations and functions. Now this is lecture number 4. Before this, in lecture number 3 we understood about the relations. In this lecture we will see the functions. As the chapter name, relations and functions. Relations we have seen in last lecture with the help of first two lectures, that is the Cartesian product of two sets. On the basis of understanding that, we understood the relations. Now we will understand the function. So the function is actually from the relation we have to pick out. What is that? See, a relation from a set A to a set B, as about the relations we know. A relation from a set A to a set B is said to be a function. The same relation can be said as function, but if the condition is if every element of set A has one and only one image of set B. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, then only that relation is called a function. This is the definition of a function. If f, small f, is a function from A to B and A, B belongs to f under the function f, A and B pairs, you know the order pair of two elements, A, B belongs to the function f, then fa equals to b, we can write fa equals to b. The value of the function A is actually b, where b, the second element, is called the image of the image of A under f, and A, the first element, is called the pre-image of B under f. The first element is called pre-image of B, second element, and second element is called B is called the image of the first element A under f in function. The function f from A to B is denoted by f from A to B, we read it as f from A to B, that way you have to read it. And this is the notation to show the function is f from A to B. So after understanding the function's definitions, we will see some examples. Example 10, let n be the set of natural numbers as we know, and the relation R, relation is R, capital R, we define on the n such that R equals to the set of order pair xy such that y equals to 2x, xy all belongs to n. This is the relation given over the function, over the set n. The question is, what is the domain, codomain and range of R? This is the relation, we have to write the domain, codomain and range, and we have to say that is this relation a function? This relation is a function or no? That also we have to decide here. So how to see that? We have seen in the last lecture the relations, in that we have understood how to write domain, codomain and range, definition and example. Same way we go for the first question. In solution, the domain of R, as you know, the set of first elements, first element is x and x belongs to n. So every x will come here and x belongs to n. So domain of R is actually n. N is the natural number, the set of natural number. And codomain, about that also the definition we know. Codomain is the whole set B. In this relation, it is n to n. X is also n, y is also n. So whole y is also in n. So codomain of R is also n. About the range, you know, range means the set of all the second elements. So second elements are y, and y is defined here as 2x. If we place x equals to the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is 2x, y equal to 2x. So when we multiply by 2 each of the number, suppose we take 1 first, x belongs to n. We start with 1, x equals to 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 will come. If we take 2, x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4. If we take 3, 2 3s are 6. Means all the even numbers will be in the relation of the given, and second elements will be always a even natural number. So range of R is the set of even natural numbers will come. So this way domain, codomain and range we have written, the first answer we have given. Now next is, as we can see, for every element of x is 1, then its image will be 2. If 2, x equal to 2, image will be 4. If x equal to 3, 3 to the 6 will be its image. If we take 4, x equal to 4, its image will be 8. For every element of the domain, here, for every element of the domain that is x, we have a different element or one and only one image of as y. So, by the definition, every element of set A has one and only one image in B. So, this relation will be a function. Yes. So, since every natural number n has one and only one image, this relation is a function. Function also. Example 11. Next. Examine each of the relations and state giving reasons whether it is a function or not. Again, we have to examine 3 relations are given here, and we have to examine that these relations are a function or not. With the reason we have to give answer. So first, the relation is 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, and second relation is 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Third relation is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. So in solution, the first we will check first, examine first number. Since here in relation 1, 2, 3, 4, the first elements are the domains of this relation, are elements of the domain of R, having their unique images. 2 has its image as 1, 3 is also having 1 image, 4 is having 2 image, means all the 3 elements have their different and unique images. No element has two images. One element has one image. Second element has one image. Fourth element is as the next different images. So unique images they have. So this relation R is a function. In second number, this is 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. You can see since the element 2 of the domain of R, this 2 of the domain of R has its one image as 2 and the second image as 4. It doesn't have its one and only one image. It has 2 images. So 2 of the domain R has 2 different images as 2 and 4. 2 is the image of 2. 4 is also image of 2. So the element 2 of the domain has 2 different images. For being a function, it must have one and only one image. It has 2 images. So this relation R is not a function. It's not a function. Third number, since every element of domain in this you can see 1 has its image 2, 2 has its image 3, 3 has 4, 4 has 5, 5 has 6, 6 has 7. This way, every element of the domain of R has its one and only one image in its codomain. So, since every element of domain has its unique image, this relation R is a function. So, first relation is a function. Second is not, because its element 2 has 2 different images, and in third relation is also a function because every element in the third relation, every element of domain has one and only one image on second. So this way we can see the relations and we can decide it is a function or not on the basis of this definition. Next, about the function only. The definition is real valued function and real functions. The functions type it is when we can say the function as real valued function and when we can say the function as real function. That is the definition given here. A function which has either R is here for real numbers. It's not for relation actually. It is for real numbers in this function. A function which has either R or one of its subsets as its range. If we have the function defined and if you see the range, it is a real number or any subset of a real number R, then this type of function is called real valued function. Real valued function means its range we have to see, and its range must be a real number or a subset of real number. Then we can say a real valued function. Further, if its domain is also either R or its subset of R, then it is called real function. If in a function only range is a real number or real a subset of it, then we say real valued function. If in a function its range is a real number or it's any of the subset, but its domain is also a real number or its subset, means domain and range both are real number or its subset, then the function is called real function. This is the definition. Related on example 12 is, let n is a natural number, set of the natural numbers. Define a real valued function f from n to n by fx equals to 2x plus 1. This is given the function, defined function given. Using this definition, complete the table given below. This table we have to complete using this defined function. So here the x values means domain is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and y, that is the value of the function, real valued function, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, s6, f7 we want to find here, and we have to fill the table, complete the table. So in solution, here a real valued function f from n to n is given, and it is given by fx plus 2, fx equals to 2x plus 1. This is the defined given function. So by 2x, fx equal to 2x plus 1 given, this is given, we can complete the table as putting each one value one by one. If we place x equals to 1 here, it will be 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. So f1 equals to 3 you will find. If you place 2, x equals to 2, here it is, f2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 it will be, right? If you place 3, then it will be f3, 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7. If you place 4, x equal to 4, f4 equal to 2, 4s are 8 and 1, 9. If you place 5, x equals to 5, f5 equals to 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. If you place 6, so f6 equals to 2 6s are 12 and 1 13. And if we place 7 last, x equal to 7, in this defined function given, f7 equals to 2 into 7 plus 1, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. So this way we can complete the table using the given function, defined function. So it's so easy. So in this lecture we have understood about the function and real valued function, real function with some examples we have seen. So you are suggested to write about the definition of functions. This all in this lecture. With the example you understand it, and we will see in the next lecture the graphs of the real functions or functions.